Welcome back to Wheelcraft Reviews, your go-to source for all things automotive, where we bring you the latest, the greatest, and the most thrilling car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into a truly exceptional machine, the 2025 Bugatti Centodieci. Designed as a tribute to the iconic EB110 from the 1990s, the Centodieci is a breathtaking blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology that pushes the limits of hypercar performance. The Centodieci commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design, echoing the spirit of its legendary predecessor while embracing modern aesthetics. This limited production model is crafted with precision, and its streamlined bodywork enhances downforce while minimizing drag. The front fascia features unique vertically stacked headlights, a broad horseshoe grille, and a striking sculpted hood, while the rear end showcases a mesmerizing LED light strip, a massive diffuser, and a fixed rear wing for optimal aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. At the heart of the Bugatti Centodieci lies an engineering marvel, an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This monster of a power plant delivers a jaw-dropping 1,600 horsepower, allowing the Centodieci to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. With the top speed electronically limited to 236 miles per hour, this hypercar isn't just about raw speed, it also boasts mind-blowing agility and handling. Thanks to a lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system, it hugs corners with precision, making every drive an unforgettable experience. Inside the Centodieci, luxury meets futuristic design. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Everything from the dashboard layout to the seats is meticulously crafted to provide both driver-focused functionality and opulent comfort. The minimalist yet highly intuitive digital cockpit keeps essential driving information at your fingertips while maintaining an uncluttered aesthetic that reflects the car's purpose-driven nature. Customization is, of course, key for Bugatti clients, allowing each owner to tailor the interior to their exact tastes. Safety and technology in the Centodieci complement its jaw-dropping performance. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, high-strength carbon fiber construction, and cutting-edge braking technology, this hypercar delivers peace of mind at high speeds. Despite being a performance beast, it doesn't sacrifice the safety and technological sophistication expected of a Bugatti. The 2025 Bugatti Centodieci represents a rare convergence of history, performance, and luxury, and with only 10 units ever produced, it's a true collector's masterpiece. This homage to Bugatti's storied past is more than just a car, it's a testament to the brand's ongoing pursuit of automotive excellence. The Centodieci offers an unparalleled driving experience that combines explosive power, breathtaking design, and the prestige that only a Bugatti can offer. As we wrap up, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and stay tuned to Wheelcraft Reviews for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive and exciting vehicles. Don't miss out on our next videos, where we continue to bring you all things automotive, from hypercars to everyday rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.